Okay guys, back for another rare unboxing of Kyosho Mini Z, guys, and here is the next installment, and this will be it for a while, and let's see what goodies are over here, guys. So let's get straight into it. Let's have a look. This is from a seller in Spain, I believe. Why haven't I got mine in my right, okay. Come on. I think I should pause and get my little family knife, exact knife, whatever you want to call it, hobby knife. Right, okay, yeah, so this is the last remaining out of the police cars. If there's glare, guys, as usual, do not worry. They'll be going on a stand anyway and you can see them. But yeah, beauty. Hopefully we'll have the same problem I had last time, where the whole chassis kind of came away from the mounting plates. So, but that looks like it's been in storage for a while, because that sticker's not supposed to be orange, it's supposed to be red. And them tires have got some like white, I don't know, is it fungus or just dust accumulated on it? Right. It'll be interesting to see if it has stayed on there, because I don't know what it is with these police cars, but does it the glue, I don't know, is it drying up and causing it to come off the actual chassis? Don't know. Right. One more little baby. I'm not going to make these videos too long. If I do all the unboxings in one video, guys, that video is going to go over an hour. I don't think you want to hear me talking for an hour. And I'm going to get probably photobombed by the birds, because they seem to know when I'm recording a video, and then they turn up and start to kick some tunes to try and stop me talking. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So, this is from a seller in France. I think he's called Mr. PN Orange Racing. He's on eBay. And he has some interesting stuff. He's from France, and he has some interesting stuff on eBay. And you can see that his stuff, that's basically, you can see he's got stuff stored up. He must have bought loads of Mini Zs, and he must be a collector. And I was after this shelf for ages. I wanted the black and white edition, but you know what, I settled for this. The Renault Megane, guys, this trophy version, the RS trophy version, which is the Sport 2008 version, yeah. You know me, I like the flared out archways. It had everything I wanted. It had the flared out arches, the spoiler on the back. It just had that blown out kind of look. And I was like, oh my goodness. But you know what? Rocking horse pool again, guys. You couldn't find these anywhere. Absolutely anywhere. And yeah, I was so gifted and blessed, yeah, that this guy had them on. I've never seen these on eBay, ever. And I was really after the black version. That with gold wheels just looks mental. So yeah. But this is that one you've got to build up. Let's see if I can get it out of here. You've kind of got to build it up to some degree. You've got to do a bit of gluing. So it comes, so there's no dummy chassis in here. It comes with lights. And I don't like the silver on them lights. I want mine to be clear, because I actually want working lights on there if I can fit them in. Comes with your little wheels over here, alright? Which is like a bit of a deepish kind of spoked chrome. And this is where it gets interesting. So you've got your mount, right? Then you've got your side rails, which you've got to glue in. And then you've got your rear spoiler, which looks kind of funky, yeah? I may even do a video of me putting it all together, guys, we'll see. So there you got Renault Sports, or Sport, as a spoiler. And then you have screws to screw it in with. You've got your kind of inner windshield bit that glues onto the actual inside of the car. So there's a bit of gluing with this shell. Nice and tinted out, and there's your shell. Okay, so obviously it's on this video, it won't be complete because I'm just going to be unboxing, but there you can see it. There's a frame, and I like it, man. I like that old Renault 5 kind of boxy, blown out kind of look, but the Megane was kind of cool. And I may even, if I get fed up with this colour scheme, I may even just do it black and have some, you know, real deep dish wheels on it. Well, there should be some wing mirrors as well. There's no wing mirrors on here. Somewhere. Alright, okay. Yeah, wing mirrors are there. That's the wing mirrors. Okay, right. So, that's interesting, because that's all I've got to get put together. I don't know if I'm going to put that on a... I don't know how I'm going to put that on a display stand at the moment, guys. because it's not going to fit on anything. Okay, so that's the first lot anyway. Right guys, so we'll have the police car on a display stand, and I don't know, I'm just thinking, should I put another car with this or just leave it as that? I think I will leave it as that, guys. And then, right, so not to make it too long, it's going to go on the display stand. You can have a quick look at it over there, guys. We'll move on to other cars. And you know what, I'm going to put on one of the cars that I missed out. Actually, let me do that. I forgot to take out the Mazda, is it 77 something like that? Let me just quickly get that and we'll add that onto this video. I can put that on the display stand as well. Okay guys, so here we've got the Mazda 787B, number 55 LM 1991 winner. Yes, I did unbox this before, but I totally forgot to take it out of the case. And one of my viewers on YouTube pointed it out and said, you haven't done justice to the shell. And I thought, I need to actually at some point get this out of the display case, because he said it was a beautiful shell and the colours are fantastic, and my video didn't do justice to it. And he was right, because it is a beauty. When you get it out of the display case, it is a little beauty. So let's take the tape off, let's get it out of here, and this will be on the display stand because it missed out last time. And again, so that is a little beauty, so we'll put that there. And you'll see them on the stand, guys. So yeah, he was right. Usually display cases are a bit dusty, guys, and a bit scratched up, so it doesn't really do justice to the shells. You need to really get them out and have a good look at them. So yeah, that's that little bad boy. Okay, right, we'll look at these on the display stand and we'll move on to some other cool stuff, guys. To come, there is a Mitsubishi, a really rare Lancia Evo, I think it's X Rally shell, because I've got loads of Subarus, didn't have Mitsubishi, so that's in there. Oh, we've got this really cool Lamborghini, guys, which kind of got into my top 5. Beautiful in gold, decaled out. You need to see that. That will be hopefully in the next vid. Taxi, and then we've got the Japanese stuff as well, guys, and there's some really amazing stuff in these boxes here, so don't go away. Be tuned, stay RC tuned for the next video, guys, and you'll see some amazing stuff coming out of them boxes. Okay, on the display cases, have a look at them, and then guys, watch out for the next video. Thank you. This little bad boy missed out on going on there the last time, so this is the Mazda 787B, and it is a pretty shell. Beautiful, vibrant, vivid colours. I don't really get the front wheel, but I like the deep dish rear wheel, and I've got another one like that, so I'm going to find something I can fit it on. I don't know how. The offset usually on the rears isn't too great, so I don't know. Could try the other set on the front, because the front offsets are really, they go up to a normal, on some of the normal cars, up to 1.5mm, 2mm, and the backs are sometimes just 1mm, so let's see. But that's a nice classic shell, that is. Been quite popular. I've noticed they've sold quite a bit on eBay, and the prices are starting to go up. That's usually a sign when, you know, a shell is quite, you know, sought after. So yep, a little beauty. Quite similar to the Mercedes Sauber, which is, I've got that in silver, and there was a black version that they did, the Olympia one, which was kind of cool. I was tempted to go for that one. But yeah, quite a dated version, but still a head turner, man. Still looking nice. Cool. So I missed out on putting that on there last time. I totally forgot. So this time it's definitely going to get put on there. Okay, let's move on. I haven't obviously fitted this together, guys. I'm just going to give it a quick whiz on here so we can just see it. And then obviously I will at some point put all the little bits and bobs on there to kit it out. But it's got that retro kind of boxy kind of look to it, with flared out fenders and stuff like that, which I love. So pretty cool. And as I say, I wanted it in black. There's a black, white and silver version, which I thought looked really cool. But this yellow's alright. I'm sure if I'm not too fond of it, I can always spray over. So we'll see how we get on with that. But I can fit some nice deep dish wheels under there. I don't know if I'm fond of the wheels that came with it. They're just normal spoke wheels that are a bit of an offset on them, but Nothing amazing. Yeah, they're a bit deep dish in places. The rear wheels are anyway. But yeah, nothing totally amazing. So let me see what we can do with that. Okay, our cop car, which looks like it's been in storage for a very long time. And I don't think, well, this was the first cop car that I'm taking out the display case. I don't think it's going to fall off the side rails, which is a plus. So pretty cool. I wanted 3 police cars, guys. I thought for a chase, 2's not enough. 3 looks totally awesome, and it's come through. So yep. And you can see here, it's got the light bar, and the light bar, on the light bar you can fit LEDs. I'm not going to keep it on there too long because I've had my previous police car on there, so yeah. Let it have one more spin, and then basically we'll take it off. So yep, you just basically pull out the existing little fake bulbs, put your LED kit in, and I prefer, guys, the ones that you can get on eBay, which just run off the is it CR0R32 battery. It's constant. It's not just a case of, even with the Kyoshos, when you adjust the light system, it still goes on and off if you're not throttling, but with them it just stays on all the time, so it's pretty cool. And you can get them as a flashing version, which is good because when you put the LEDs in there, you pop them out, put your LEDs in, and I'd put, rather than white doesn't look too great, put a blue LED in and a red LED in, and you'll get a much better light and get the flashing kit. Okay.